All right, you guys. I was looking at the chart today and found something kind of cool to show you. So this is what they call a Doji star, right? And so Dojis are just candlestick patterns, and you can look it up. You just kind of Google it, and then you can see Doji star, and these indicate price action, right? And so what we can see right now is that the buyers and sellers are in a very narrow width, and along with that, I would think that there's probably pretty low volume. Let me check real quick. Um, so yeah, you have decreasing volume today. So anyway, I thought that was interesting. And so what this signifies is it can be a reversal pattern, right, on a daily, and we're 1 hour from the daily close. So you can see all day long, price has been squeezing in this direction. So you're trying to figure out which way Bitcoin is going to go, okay? And so you can see this on the daily, which closes in 1 hour and 7 minutes, that you have this doji forming, which is telling us there's a reversal pattern at play. That's what this indicates. So when you see something like that, there's going to be a move, either a move to the upside with volume, and or a move to the downside with volume. So then to figure, if you wanted to trade that, and you kind of look at the news, so it's always news related and correlated with what's happening on the charts, but you have to understand what's moving the markets. And so as you can see, the SPY closed green today. Okay, so if the SPY continues to hold, you see this level here into the end of the week, that's where you get this move I've been talking about going into the end of the month. And everybody, has these kind of like folklore moon readings and shit, like, September is a bad month for Bitcoin, but that's just, I don't know what you call that. Anyway, so that's what you're looking at is if you see a close, if you see a close on the weekly here on the SPY, then it's likely that this doji candle here is indicating to you that that reversal will be to the upside. So you could long, okay, and in the meantime, so where would you long? You could long from right there if you wanted to. But a lot of times there's this V-shaped bottom that comes out of Bitcoin. And so we just had this kind of dump here. And what you'll see is something like this. And then it retraces. And I could get very, very accurate about this. But the idea is it'll probably retrace somewhere there. And then you have your breakout. So if you want a long, you could potentially enter your long here or here. I like just risk tolerance right now with all the different kinds of things that could happen. I prefer to long when I see the retracement, because that gives me, if I see it coming down based on news, based on the SPY and what's affecting the world economy, then I'll know if this is just based on regular organic selling or is there a catalyst for this move. Anyway, I thought you guys would find that interesting and hope it helps.